Hello, today we're gonna try Let Him Go. So let's read the description. And waking up. Again, this cycle repeats itself. After time, stop the feeling and overcome it. Let go and let go. Can you handle it? A short but psychological story about lost in infinity. Warning, this game contains vivid images, sharp unrecognizable sounds, and scenes of violence, and demonstration of blood. So if you have a phobia of blood and you don't like violence or any of that, skip it because Let Him Go is basically all that. Let's go, Let Him Go. I feel like I'm going to relate to this. I feel like I'm not. Disclaimer, this game has loud noises, bright effects, and sharp images. I just said something. There are also scenes of violence and blood, so just skip the video. And if you don't like loud noises, you might want to turn this down and don't wear headphones while playing this. No, while watching me play this. And bright effects, and yeah. This is, that's firing. I'm already tired of you, leave me alone. That's literally reminding me of someone already. I know who's firing. I think, who's me? Broken Spawn, I need to take a walk. I think we're Broken Spawn. That firing guy, he reminded me of someone. He reminds me of one of my old friends. So I just talked to NPC. Oh, I want the flower. Why am I on top of the flower? Let me see, I want to talk to you. Person. Hello? Oh, okay. Oh, someone's buying a house. I want to go look. Okay. Oh, listen. Nothing. Okay. Why am I surprised? It's a new house. Of course there's gonna be nothing. Wait, why does that guy have scribbles and jamming? I like relaxing over here. The noise of the water, it's soothing. Okay, yeah. There's a statue of Bush. Cozy shop? Or do we want to go to Bar's Berries? Berries bar? Let's go. It's a weird bar. Berry, good afternoon. Do you want to buy something? You don't look like yourself, lady. But anyways, take care of yourself, please. I just realized he was sad. Broken Spawn's sad. I think he's sad because of what that firing guy did. Welcome to the, you again? What the hell, Alice? Wait, this as well. At least that orange kid isn't with you this time. Such a relief. By the way, about him, you guys always spend time together. But I was thinking both together if you guys are not your friends, yeah? Yeah. Oh well, I have my things to say. Alright, enough about that. What am I interested in is you haven't bought anything that game shop, did you? Okay, great for you. If you're not gonna buy anything, leave the shop. Alright, it just told us she's so rude. Like, not asking if you was okay or nothing. Is that the person that she was talking about, the lime girl? I think that's her name? Yeah, lime girl. I don't have anything for today. What's happening to him? I'm not feeling well. I want to go home. Oh my god. Is this man okay? Where's our house at? Can I not run? I can jump. So we jump. Which one is this house again? I forgot. I think it's this one. Oh no. There. So we sleep? Okay, he's going to bed, guys. Good night, Broken Spawn. Something tells me to go right. So we're going right. Wait, what's this guy's name? I didn't read his name. Firing, you know? We've been friends since we were kids. It's a very long time, isn't it? We were always so excited when you spent time with me. I heard if you go on this side and then fall, you could get an ending. Like either a good one or a bad one, so. Like here, I seen a video like on my TikTok saying if you go here, you end up in somewhere. Who's he? We're gonna get the ending. Did you actually find me? That's good. That means everything is lost. Spawn, everything you see right now is not real. You need to let him go. You're disappointed after he left, and I can see that, but please pull yourself together. It's really hard, especially when that person is important to you. Oh, so how do I get back up? Do I fall? Be careful. We're getting whatever ending that is because the guy is nice and I like the guy. Why are we at the game that Shaletsky made? What are we gonna do? Are we gonna sword battle right now? But you always annoyed me with your behavior. Who do you think you're calling annoying? Why is it dark? Do I go? We're gonna go. Or is that me? Am I delusional? Yes, very. But didn't this just move when I just started walking? I think I'm even more delusional because why the heck? It looks like I'm not even big. What the heck? This nightmare was disgusting. I have to take a walk after this. Good news, we can run. So I gotta talk to him. Oh, they both started. His mouth changed. Oh my god, he did not look okay. The flowers you kind of, oh no, they look like they were dying. I think they are. I think, what can we do? I want to like explore. There's a trampoline. Wait, can we interact with her? There's flowers. Oh yeah, I can interact with her. Never mind, my mom told me that we needed to help people when they feel bad. Are you sad now, actually? Wait, what was the other option? I wanted to do the other option. I can't do the other option. What was I supposed to do? Oh, I can't go now. He wants to go with Fire Rainbow. He needs to stop thinking about him. That flower looks dead to me, bro. Spawn? Run, you looking for worse than you was yesterday. What happened? Spawn? They came from here. Oh, they're hugging. Oh, she's hugging him. Yes, like you need a friend, like blind girl, because she will care about you. I agree with her. Like you, if you're like kind of dealing with how broken Spawn is, you need to try to find a friend who's like a blind girl, because like she's actually a good friend. Like she's a friend that you can actually trust. And I can see how the way she was acting to broken Spawn, she actually cared about him. Look, she's I like the blind girl. She's cool. So to her. The guy was just calling him literally, oh my god, you look even worse today, it's not good at all. Your parents betrays your advice, Spawn. I guess that's something between you and your friend you were hanging out with. Is there a therapist sometime later? Okay, it would be better for you. Let's talk to Cozy. I don't like Cozy that much because she literally was so rude. Don't look at me with that face, you scare me. I'm not feeling well. I want to go home. Oh my god, is he actually okay? Even I'm worrying about broken Spawn. Like, oh my god, like I'm actually worried for this guy. No person. Please, this guy needs to get home. Is this not even his house? Where is his house? Alright, I think this is the house, okay. We need to close the door so he can sleep and not breaks in. I hope there won't be a nightmare this time. Oh my god. Is that up? Then don't tell me I just walked into a wall. Who's that? I wanna go to it. Okay, frick you. Don't tell me to go forward. Okay, we go forward then. Martina. Let's go in. Oh, sir, go in. It's a house. Let's go into the house. Is it happy birthday? Whose birthday is it? Oh, did you come anyways? Thanks, but you know, I wasn't waiting for you. Why are they all looking? Stop, why are they looking? I don't like that. Why are they coming closer? No, I'm going to turn away. I don't like when people look at me like everyone stares. Why did he just fall down? Oh my god. Why did he actually fall down? I mean, that's a bad sign. Is it me or is it actually, anytime he gets a nightmare and each day passes, it like, some reason looks like it's getting lighter. Like, or more depressing. Like, or is it me or I'm just delusional? Because it's like, getting more depressing now. Pearson, he doesn't want, what happened to his face? Barry's bar, let's go to bed. Let's go to Barry's bar. Learn to appreciate other help. Pathetic. Why is he mean? So rude of him. Let's go to Cozy. She might be next this time. Our stars close for weirdos like you. Now get out of here. Why are they actually so rude? What did he do to you? Like, all he's doing is just being sad because someone who was important to him decided to literally push him away and be so rude. The light girl would be nice. I warned you. You didn't listen to me. And now your choice went against you. Oh my god, is he okay? Why is everyone so mean to me? I feel weak. I want to go home. Why are they so rude to him? All he was just trying to do was just talk to someone. Since he was on a walk. Huh? Spawn, please open the door. I came to apologize. I didn't mean to make you feel so bad. It looks brighter. Let's open it. Oh, they forgive. Oh god, I'm so sorry. I really didn't mean to hurt you. I will never leave you again. You're too naive if you think it's true. What the heck? What the heck is that? What's happened? He's happy at least. I think our goal is to... What just happened? I didn't even walk. Don't tell me he died. It's my fault. I should have left you alone. Sorry, I'm so sorry, Spawn. He died. No, I didn't expect that to happen. He died. Oh my god. He died. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm out because thank you for watching this video. That's our next video, by the way. Anyways, you just seen a clip of a video we were gonna try. But anyways, I'm out of here.